Hello everyone, Andy here, and first of all, let's say happy Easter. It is that time of year. Hope you've had a good Easter break and enjoying this weather we're having at the moment. We're having a bit of a heat wave here in the UK. So my idea is I want to try and get up and utilising these early mornings to try and keep consistently producing content and videos for you guys. And I'm really hoping you're enjoying it all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the gear in the car, set off, and once I'm en route to my location, I'll give you a little bit more detail on what it is that I'm going to be filming today. Okay everyone, so I know I've just left you from the boot of my car, but the reason was because I was trying to do audio en route to Manchester, which is the place I'm filming, with the new GoPro Hero 7, and the audio was shocking. So I thought what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of talking before I show you the drone footage on the proper camera. So as per the title and the thumbnail, yes, I went to film Manchester, and wow, great weather. And seeing it from the drone, the skyline is really impressive. It has grown so much in the last couple of years. Now, I did a video about a couple of years ago of the skyline, one of my sort of early videos really, and there wasn't a lot there. It was mainly the Beetham Tower, probably the CIS building, which kind of dominated the skyline. But now there is an influx of new skyscrapers and tall buildings, and it is still growing. So I'm sure if I was to do another video in, say, a year or two, it would be even more impressive. So I don't want to talk too much because I'm sure you just want to see the drone footage as well as I do. I've not edited it yet, but I am looking forward to edit it. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do like it, comment below, and feel free to subscribe as well. And make sure to hit the bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. So that's it everyone. Hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye.